Hey there friends, hello, I am back once more with a new video. So let us dive into the video that teaches us on how to create compelling and shareable content for digital marketing. In today's landscape of digital marketing, capturing the attention of your audience and getting them to spread the word is crucial. Make it easy, engaging, and memorable. Begin by knowing what your customers want, where their interests lie, and what pains them. Next is focus on storytelling. Write a story that captivates your target group emotionally. Whatever the case, make it a problem solving journey or a relatable story that people can relate to. Remember to include attractive images, videos, and visual elements since this can enhance your content. In digital marketing, consistency is important. Create a posting schedule that your audience can depend on. Reply quickly to comments and messages made by your followers. And that's it. You now know how to create compelling and shareable content for digital marketing. As I have mentioned, the secret lies in comprehending your audience, creating an engaging narrative, utilizing enticing images, and ensuring consistency. Before we wrap up, here's a piece of advice. Remain authentic and loyal to who you are. This way, the audience appreciates authenticity and helps to create a loyal following. That being the case, let's do some content that will hit the audience in a big way and have your digital marketing take off. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create compelling and shareable content for digital marketing. See you on my next video.